Rzr loaded up. Today we're not going to be working on that. We're going to be working on Devin's Rzr. That is the guy that's been riding with us a lot. He's got the blue Rzr 1000 turbo. So we're going to be installing some stuff that KEMIMOTO sent us. I don't know if y'all been following the channel, y'all have seen that KEMIMOTO has been sending us a lot of stuff to try out and test out. So we're going to be trying a new item today I think y'all like. First we're going to stop here at this gas station and get a bang because I'm tired. I worked last night, so let's do that real quick. Alright, so now we're going to head to Keith's. Tough break, he is working today, so it's just going to be me and Devin installing what we got. Picked up a Red Bull instead of the Bang, but anywho, we're about to pull up over there and we'll get started on this. Alright guys, so we're about to take this front end off. What we're going to be doing today is installing these that KEMIMOTO sent us. They are Rzr Fang lights. These are the lights that come on the, I believe like the, I don't know, certain packages they come with these, and certain ones come with the color match, like on the front over here. I believe they go just like that. They'll sit in there. These are the ones from KEMIMOTO. They actually have a place where you can hook blinkers up to them if you ever get to that point to where you want blinkers, but where we're going we don't need no blinkers. They come with these plugs right here. They'll just plug into your factory spot. All Rzrs already have the plugs to plug them straight in, so it's pretty much just a plug and play kind of thing. I believe what we're going to do is take out all these torque heads. I think there's some down here. I'll take a look. Yeah, we'll get this front face off. We'll let you know what we did if we run into any problems on taking it off. Shouldn't be too big of a problem. So on all these, I'm going to use the T30 to take those out, so just keep that in mind when you're taking this off. It'll make it 10 times easier for you. You already know the sizes. And these bottom two down here, what size was them bottom two?
T25.
T25. For the bottom two, they're a little smaller, so this thing should just pop right off here in a second. Alright, so there was just two more T30s right up in there that you have to get to get this whole thing off. So we're gonna go ahead, pull it off. We'll just set it right here. So if you ever have to take your front face off, that's how you do it. We're going to go ahead and get started on taking the old things out and putting the new ones in. Shouldn't be too hard of a job. I don't think it will be. Alright, so if you'll see right there, this little plug's going to be hanging out. It's going to have a little cover over it. I've already pulled it off, but there'll be one on each side. The other one is tucked off back in there, but you just grab it out. You might have to cut a little bit to get it to pull out further, so you can be able to just straight plug it in. But yeah, like I said earlier, they all come with this. Even if you do have just the color matched fangs, they come already set up, so all you have to do is just plug them right in. So we're gonna work on, I think you already done got he's done got those out. So these are pretty much down. They have like these weird little nuts on the back of them. We'll just reuse them to put on the new ones. But so let's go ahead and put these things on. We'll set it up here on this ping pong table. Oh yeah, that's gonna look sweet. I gotta do it. Can I do it? Oh yeah, we might as well rip all this plastic off. It'll be all on the way after we put it on. Now it's gonna get all scratched up. Shit. Dang it. We'll drop it on the ground as soon as I pick it up. Oh, those look good. We're gonna have to I'll pull my razor up here. We'll compare to see what mine look like compared to these, and see if these might be brighter than the stock ones. They might be. I don't know yet. I do think they look a little different. I'm not sure though.
Sweet.
No, they do look pretty sweet. On these little bolt things, I don't really know what they're called, but they just go right back onto the plastic. You'll just screw them on there, kind of do it real easy until it gets snug, and then stop, because I'm pretty sure that it'll just strip out if you do it too tight. But you just get them snugged. And I guess before we do this, probably look at these wires over here and try to get them pulled out further. Yeah, that one's gonna have to be pulled out some to meet this one. So we'll do this real quick. Alright, let's set this thing on there. Alright, that should stay. We're pretty much done. No.
That's it.
Yeah, he's just gonna plug them in inside of there. I think there was a little cap. Yeah, there's a little cap protecting it until you decide to do this one day. Go key that thing on and see if these are plugged in the right way. Oh yeah. That looks sweet. Alright, so now that we know they're working, we're gonna slap all these bolts back in here. We'll probably zip tie those wires up out the way. Maybe we won't. You'll probably never know. Yeah. Let's put this thing back together and we'll compare my razor lights and those and see how the OEM looks compared to the KEMIMOTO. I think they pretty much look the same, but I can't really tell. So, alright, so I pulled my razor in, and man, to be honest, you really can't tell too much difference at all. Like, they're both really the same brightness. So, all in all, I think they're pretty good. They look the same, about the same brightness. I'm sure they're a lot cheaper. But yeah, what do you think about them?
It's good to me. I like it.
I know it is hot out here today. We are sweating down and we ain't even worked a bit, really. But yeah guys, I'll post a link to these in our video on KEMIMOTO's site where you can buy them. yeah, guys, huge shout out to KEMIMOTO. We will catch y'all later. We're about to start doing some more stuff, so be watching for that in the future videos. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.